Hey, for any affiliates out there or offer owners, really anybody that is looking to work with Thomas, I shouldn't say I've known him for quite a long time. I've seen the massive power that he could provide in buying up Facebook ads. He's taken offers from middling to launching them into a different stratosphere where they become diamond members. So not only is he an amazing affiliate, he knows how to scale, he knows what he's doing, and he's a great person to work with. So whether you're trying to learn to become great at media buying, or if you're just trying to decide, is this an offer I want to promote to my list? It doesn't really matter which spectrum you're going to be on. Thomas is the guy that you need to work with, not only as a marketer, but as a person. Those are the two things you really need to care about. And I'll tell you what, if you're going to find out whatever strategies he's using to go and scale your Facebook business, he's been one of our most consistent and best platinum affiliates, and somebody that I pretty much go to with any offer that I think has legs, because Thomas is going to tell me right away. Because if he can't make it work, no one can. So definitely commit to whatever he's asking you to do, because it'll be the best decision in your life. I know working with him and kind of working with the ClickBank side has been one of the best decisions of my life. So hopefully you have the same one. Thanks so much.